curious, as we all know, Asia is a big continent. Why did you choose Philippines as your second home?
As I mentioned, as the hotel investment company, we look for growth. So actually every year we always review the market condition. So every 5 years when we do the master plan, we look thoroughly into the supply demand, where demand is coming, how is the supply situation, and then we draft the plan. We set the framework for the investment. As you can see that, this 5 year we want to spend 14 billion peso. But every year we also review the market. So actually over the past few years, we already looked at where else can we find growth outside of Thailand. It's not that we don't like Thailand. It's not because Thailand actually going through a number of events, and sometimes the incident in Thailand did give us certain interruption. But Thailand is still growing. We're looking at the tourist arrival to Thailand at 33 million. It's still growing. But we want to see that a part of Thailand, where can we go? So that because we want to see that with our project development expertise, we feel confident that we can go somewhere else. So we actually have a team. Actually, the team actually sits right here. We go out and look at the whole ASEAN. We don't want to go beyond ASEAN because we feel that it's better for us to actually do something close to home. So that, and also ASEAN is, we all know each other. We understand each other. So we look at the whole 10 countries of ASEAN, which including Thailand. And at the end of the day, we find that the most exciting, the most excitement that we feel is Philippines. And that is actually backed by your continuous growth of the economy. And we see that a lot more of the direct investment into Philippines. And also we see that the government actually gives a lot more importance into building up infrastructure. As you can see now that over the past, I think, 3-4 years, we've seen lots and lots of development, not only in Manila, but outside of Manila, outside of Metro Manila as well. So it's not only Manila that we are interested, but we just want to, set foot into Manila. We are now looking at Cebu, maybe Davao, in the next stage as well. So I think we cannot deny that over the past 5 years, Philippines has the highest growth of the economic development. And well, for Thailand, we want to have that 6% as well. So hopefully now we have 3% in Thailand, we have 6% in Philippines, and that should be a good portfolio for us.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Irene. We have another question over there.